Hello and good night. Welcome to another bedtime story. This story is meant to help you sleep or to relax your mind. Try and find a comfortable place, such as your bed or a soft chair. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes now. Try and let go of the day as we begin our tale. Tonight's story is The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Once upon a time, there was a very prosperous town called Hamelin. It was located on the bank of River Weser. The people who lived there had developed very bad habits and didn't care for their beautiful environment as they should. People never bothered to put litter into the bins. They just dropped it wherever they fancied. Over time, the town became very dirty, and because of this, many rats started coming to town. These rats were very dangerous and unclean. They destroyed the butchers, the bakers, and all the shops in the town. They entered houses and destroyed everything. They nibbled people's clothes and the ears of the little children too. The people of Hamelin got very scared. They made all efforts to get rid of the rats. However, the rats were wild and violent, and they were not even scared of cats. This became a huge problem for the people of Hamelin. They sought help and went to the mayor's house. The mayor spoke to the people of Hamelin and assured them that he would save them from the wild rats. He made all efforts but could not control the spread of rats in town. People were angry with the mayor, so he announced that he would give 1,000 gold coins to the one who would be able to free the town of the rats. On the next day after the announcement, a stranger came to Hamelin. He wore very different clothes and a hat made of feathers, shells, and bones. He had a silver flute, and he claimed that he would send the rats away. The people of Hamelin became very happy. They took him to the house of the mayor. The mayor and his counselors agreed to give him a chance. They promised to reward him once the said work would be done. And so, the Pied Piper walked out of the town and along the dark forest that led to the town's river. When he had walked far enough, he took his flute and started playing it. As he started to play, all the rats came out of the town and to the riverside where he was. He took a step into the river, and the rats followed him and drowned. At last, when he was certain that no rat was left, he went back to the town and asked for his reward. However, the mayor refused to reward him and even ridiculed him. He offered him 40 gold coins instead. The people of Hamelin agreed with their mayor and laughed at the Pied Piper. The Pied Piper got very angry at this. On the very next day, there was a town party. A fair was organized by the people of Hamelin. The elderly people went to the church to pray, and all the children played outside. This is when the Pied Piper came back to the place and started playing his flute. This time, he made a different note from his silver pipe. All the children started dancing and following him, and he took them to the nearby mountain. Soon, the children's parents came out of the church, but they couldn't find their kids. They were very worried. They ran after the Pied Piper towards the mountains, but it was too late. They could not save any of their children. All the children had entered the cave near the mountain with the Pied Piper, and they never came back. All parents were saddened and realized their mistake, but the children never returned to their homes. There was a deep silence and mourning in the city of Hamelin. Thus, the Pied Piper took revenge on the people of Hamelin. The end. Thank you for listening to this bedtime story. I hope you enjoyed the tale tonight. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more audiobooks and tales to come. Until next time.